How to use the REDnote application on iPhone and Android device. Hello guys and welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how you can use the REDnote application on your Android or iPhone device. So let's get started. For those who don't know what REDnote is, so it's basically an alternative for TikTok. Creators create posts like videos and post them, and you can view them, or you can even create and post them just like you do in TikTok. So here, when you click on the application, you will be redirected to the home page, and over here you can see this is the explore section, just like the ordinary Instagram or TikTok explore section. And then over here is a follow section, and here you'll be able to see all of the videos of the followings that you are following right now. And over here is the nearby section, that all of the videos that being posted near you in your location would be displayed over here. And over here is a trending option. So all of the videos that are currently trending right now on REDnote would be displayed over here for you to watch. And then here we have a plus icon. So if you wish to create and post a video, then you can just click on plus and you can select the video that you wish to post on REDnote, and then just click on done and follow the prompts in order to post the video. And then here we have messages. So basically here you'll be able to see all of your notifications, such as likes and collects, new followers, comments, and mentions. So here, if you wish to create new groups, you can just click on more groups and you can create groups. And here are some friends that you might wish to follow. And if you wish to turn on notifications, you can just click on enable. And here, when you click on me, you'll be redirected to your profile section. Now here, you'll be able to see your followings, your followers, your likes and collections. And here is your shop. You can see that there are various options that you can shop from. And then over here are orders, that if you wish to sell something and you wish to see that how many orders you've got right now, so you'll be able to see them over here. And then we have cart, that all of the stuff that you wish to buy, you can just add them to your cart and then, just dispatch them and just proceed the order at once. And then over here you'll be able to see all of your posts, and when you click on collects, you'll be able to see all of your collected notes over here. And then there are different notes and boards, so it depends on you. And over here are the likes, that all of the videos that you have likes would be displayed in this section for easy navigations in future. And if you wish to share this REDnote account ID with someone else, you can just click on this arrow icon and just copy the link and send it to any of your friends. And if your friend is with you right now, then you can just click on this barcode and scan your account QR code. And over here are 3 horizontal lines, and when you click on that, you'll be able to see a couple of other options, and right here is the settings option. So you can just click on settings and change your account settings according to your own choice. So that was basically how you can use the REDnote application or Android or iPhone. So if you found this story helpful, give it a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe for more helpful tutorials. I'll see you in the next video.